guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And there may be snow on the ground now, but hopefully by the end of April, it'll be gone.
Let's hope so. Fingers crossed. April 23rd through 26th is our 6th annual spring kickoff egg rally at
Mosquito Lake in Cortland, Ohio.
Yeah.
You're welcome to come along. Fiberglass campers preferred, but not necessary.
Not necessary. Looking forward to a great weekend. This will be our 6th year. Have had so much fun. Great potluck. So come on out and join us.
Yeah, I will put the links down below for our Facebook page, which has all the details, and our email address also. So if you're not on Facebook, you could email us and I will send you the details.
Yes, yes. And we do have a logo created this year, so make sure you check it out. We will have some merchandise that you can order. It's up on there now. We'll send the link, put the link on there too for that. And just come out and join us. It's always a great time.
Yep, it's just a fun, relaxing weekend with lots of friends.
Lots of friends. So keep it safe in your travels.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo.
And we hope to see you.
Bye.